Now my question is this. Do you think you need to pay for a motivational speaker to motivate you, or do you need a free insult to get to what you want to achieve next year?
Yeah, in Nigeria now, the way you are saying things, you understand me? When somebody insulted you, you feel challenge. You understand me? What I'm talking about challenge is this. You understand me? If you don't know, when you said that somebody will pay somebody, then somebody will come and motivate you, that will not work. When somebody tell you what you don't know, and that's where you feel the challenge, then you go and sit down at home and think. But for you to be motivated.
Well, from my own point of view, I do not need to be insulted. I do not need to be insulted to make any good news. I do not need to be insulted to become great. I do not need to listen to so much of motivational speakers to become great. But motivational speaking in a way adds to us. Now when you understand your value and worth, that you are born to be great, then you know that a huge responsibility is on you. So you fight towards becoming great by knowing your value, knowing your worth, knowing what skill or talent you have. You do what? Improve on it, study more, then give opportunities when you see any, prepare for them, and when you see them, go into it, give time and make provision of time for such thing. I don't need to be insulted before I can become great. I don't need to listen to a whole lot of motivational speakers. All of everything they say is from their own personal experiences.
Some people are very offensive when it comes to direct abuse. You understand? Okay. Why some people just like someone that they feel like, or they wish they would like to be like. If that person, if they should have opportunity for that person to cancel them, that will like motivate them, like, will trigger their psyche. Okay. You understand? Because they already assume or build up their mind that if I grow up or if I should be successful, I would like to be like this guy. Okay. So if by chance it was an opportunity to see the person, and the person now give him a little push of story how he make his own success, that would be like motivation. But sometimes insults can help you. You understand? In fact, insults help you a lot. You might not understand it immediately, but when you now when you remember exactly how this person talked to you or what he said about you, you say, who be this guy, sir? Why is he saying better past me? But I can do better than him now. But why that person insult you, not go on take him easily. But when you go back, you go no, say, for the first, say this guy open smell mouth, tell me this guy matter. Anything where they success, me I must cross that hurdle to become successful in life or to do anything when you want to do in life. So at the end of the day, you are telling me that insult goes before the best. So many Nigerians where they successful now because of the hardship. When hardship push you, person when supposed to talk to you, you go first, go do anything, even if not pure water, you go on sell and survive.